Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a powerful email scraper tool for Windows that can help you find emails using keywords. If you're looking for a way to build your email list or find potential customers, this tool might be just what you need. I will tell you how to use this tool firstly. Later, I will tell how to download it. Using the email scraper tool is easy. First, you need to download that application on your Windows computer. Once you've done that, you can open the tool and select your keywords files. After that, select Emails and Websites output files. You will receive output in these files. Click Scrape Emails. You can see real-time data of scraping here. Scraping is completed and we have emails now in our output files. As of now, this tool is paid and can be bought at 199 rupees or $3. Go to link in description. Select payment method. Indian users can pay using UPI whereas international users can pay using PayPal. That's all. After pay, you will receive file via email. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.